Hi friends, today I'm going to present 5 outdoor plants which love bigger pots or ground to thrive well. They can also be grown in smaller pots and used for interior decor of our home, provided they get direct sunlight for at least 6 to 7 hours per day. This evergreen plant with glossy heart-shaped leaves has many uses. Styling your centerpiece with it will bring freshness and auspicious element to your room. We all love the citrus fruit called lemon, isn't it? What about having this evergreen small bush or tree around your favorite corner? Oh Mint, you are so useful. We love to have you in many of our dishes. You always held a special corner in my food related videos. Thank you. I am planting the lemongrass in a clay pot that I got from a chai sutta bar, so I thought of keeping it in my dining table. Jasmine or Mogra with its beauty and sweet fragrance will enhance the aesthetic of your home. I find its place in my bedroom better than any other room. Thank you friends, and please subscribe to my channel. That will motivate me a lot.